Hey everyone, Alex here. Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into smart investing strategies to help you build your financial future. Today, we're exploring a fascinating topic: investing in the capital market. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this video will provide you with valuable insights into the opportunities and challenges in the capital market. So, let's get started. Investing in the capital market. Section 1. Overview of the capital market. First off, let's talk about what the capital market is and why it's essential. The capital market is where savings and investments are channeled between suppliers, those who have capital, and those who are in need of capital. This includes both primary markets, where new securities are issued, and secondary markets, where existing securities are traded. Key points about the capital market. Primary market: companies issue new stocks and bonds. Secondary market: investors trade existing securities. Function: helps in wealth creation and economic growth. The capital market is vital for economic development as it provides businesses with access to capital needed for expansion and growth, while offering investors opportunities to earn returns on their investments. Section 2. Opportunities in the capital market. Now, let's dive into the opportunities the capital market offers. There are several ways to invest and grow your wealth. Opportunity: stocks, owning a part of a company and benefiting from its growth. Bonds, lending money to companies or governments for a fixed return. Mutual funds and ETFs, diversifying your investments across various assets. Derivatives, instruments like options and futures for advanced strategies. Each of these investment vehicles has its unique benefits and risks, and understanding them can help you make informed decisions. Section 3. Challenges and risks. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Investing in the capital market comes with its own set of challenges and risks. Challenges and risks: market volatility. Prices can fluctuate widely in short periods. Economic factors: interest rates, inflation, and economic policies can impact returns. Company performance: individual company risks can affect stock prices. Liquidity risk: difficulty in buying or selling investments without affecting their price. It's crucial to stay informed and have a strategy to manage these risks. Diversification and regular portfolio reviews are key to mitigating potential downsides. Section 4. Practical tips for investors. So, how can you make a successful investment in the capital market? Here are some practical tips. Practical tips: research thoroughly. Understand the companies and assets you're investing in. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments to reduce risk. Invest for the long term. Patience often pays off in the capital market. Stay updated. Keep an eye on market trends and economic news. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making informed decisions and staying the course through market ups and downs. Conclusion: to wrap it up, the capital market offers immense potential for growing your wealth. With the right approach, you can navigate the challenges and capitalize on the opportunities in this dynamic field. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more insights on investing. And if you have any questions or thoughts about the capital market, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Happy investing!